Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of Microsoft Edge in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for Microsoft Edge browser in your preferred search engine. Now go to the download link of Edge browser and click on the down arrow on download button. Choose your distribution and click the download icon. Now click on the accept and download button. Wait for the download to complete. Now open the terminal and go to Downloads folder using cd command. Enter the ls command to check the folder for package. Now enter the installation command, sudo dpkg -i, then package name. Give your password and press enter. Wait for the installation to complete. Microsoft Edge browser is now installed. To check the installation is success, type the command Microsoft-Edge -- version and press enter. The installed version of Microsoft Edge will be displayed. To open, click on the menu icon and go to Internet. Now click on the Microsoft Edge.